know. Dude, these are big. Jim, the freaking roof. Jeez. Wow, I'm in Las Vegas, New Mexico. Holy cow, this is like some apocalyptic hill shit. Look at that. Pile up now. Las Cruces, New Mexico. What size are these? Man, that's loud. It just knocked open here. Holy shit. Barely here. It's so freaking loud. There were car alarms. I couldn't freaking hear them. It's so damn loud. Oh. It just started like maybe 2 minutes ago. Ah. Whoa. Holy crap. We're getting bigger.
We're getting some fucking big ones. You can see flaps in the water. Ooh.
It's like little grenades. Dude, they got freaking cold out here too. Holy crap.
Ooh.
It's freaking cold. It's like hot. Is it coming from the hurricane? I don't know. We're in New Mexico. I don't know where the hell the hurricane's at. Meanwhile, in New Mexico, freezing our asses off. Crazy hailstorm and
Like 90 degrees today. And out of nowhere, pretty storm comes in. Dropping golf ball size fucking hail.
wow.
Fucking real, dude. There's some big chunks. There are literally pieces out there the size of fucking golf balls.
Look at the water in the road now. There's like a little river out there.
It fucking tore the shit up out of the trees, dude.
I know. Look at how much it knocked out of the trees. Ugh.
I think the hail's done.
Yep. Well, that was crazy. Thanks for checking out our crazy weather here in New Mexico.
Holy